Sit-ups are classic abdominal exercises done by lying on your back and lifting your torso. They use your body weight to strengthen and tone the core, stabilizing abdominal muscles. Sit-ups are traditional core exercises often used in exercise programs due to their simplicity and effectiveness. Below are a few reasons you may wish to incorporate sit-ups into your workout routine. 1. Core strength. Core strength is one of the biggest motivators for doing sit-ups. By strengthening, tightening, and toning your core, you reduce your risk of back pain and injuries. You'll be able to move with greater ease as you complete your daily routine and participate in athletic activities. 2. Improved muscle mass. Sit-ups build muscle strength in the abdominal and hip muscles. Sit-up performance may be a useful indicator of muscle loss. According to research from 2016, older women who were able to do sit-ups were less likely to have sarcopenia, which is the natural loss of muscle due to aging. Women who were able to do more than 10 sit-ups had higher levels of muscle mass and function. While these results are promising, more research is needed to expand upon these findings. 3. Athletic performance. Strong core muscles are linked to improved muscular strength and endurance in athletes. A strong core gives you proper posture, stability, and form, allowing you to perform at higher levels during any sport or physical activity. Plus, you'll be less likely to experience fatigue. 4. Better balance and stability. A strong core helps to keep your body balanced and stable as you move throughout your daily and athletic activities. They help your pelvis, lower back, and hip muscles to work together with your abdominal muscles. Good balance makes you less likely to fall and injure yourself. 5. Increased flexibility. Moving your spine helps to loosen up stiffness in your spine and hips. Sit-ups make your hips and back more flexible, which increases mobility and relieves tension and tightness. Increased flexibility improves circulation and concentration, reduces stress, and boosts energy levels. 6. Improved posture. Building a strong, solid core makes it easier to keep your hips, spine, and shoulders in alignment, which helps to improve posture. Benefits of good posture include less pain and tension, increased energy levels, and improved breathing. 7. Reduced risk of back pain and injury. Sit-ups also build strength in the lower back, hips, and pelvis. A strong core allows for a solid, firm center, making back pain and injury less likely. While it's a common belief that sit-ups can cause injuries, a 2010 study of U.S. Army soldiers found that the inclusion or exclusion of sit-ups in an exercise program yielded similar results in terms of musculoskeletal injuries. As long as you're careful when doing sit-ups, they'll likely be beneficial and can even relieve back pain. 8. Diaphragm strengthening. Sit-ups are a great way to practice diaphragmatic breathing. Sit-ups cause compression of the abdomen, which can have a positive effect on your diaphragm. A strong, healthy diaphragm can improve your breathing patterns, alleviate stress, and enhance athletic endurance. A small 2010 study looked at the effects of several abdominal exercises in terms of diaphragmatic pressure. Sit-ups were found to be beneficial in strengthening the diaphragm and improving respiratory function. Larger, more in-depth studies are needed to expand upon these findings. 9. Academic achievement. Sit-ups may even have a positive effect on academic achievement. According to a 2019 study, high fitness levels in children were linked to high academic achievement levels. Students who scored high in the sit-up segment of a test of 8 activities had higher academic achievement levels at the 2-year follow-up than those who scored low in this area. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.